on Dulat County closed. Both ways. From military RV to us.
Get so slammed.
It's a knocking on your door.
Whoa, what's that over there? Is that the outflow hitting there or what? Oh God, please don't let this go tornado ward right over me.
There's 2 rings on radars. It's actual visible edge and then they are perfect. Whoever's timing that was,
Flip it. Flip it. That was perfect. Flip it.
well done. Well done on the timing.
Let you see the whole sky. Here we go. Woo!
Oh, you turned at the right time.
Damn.
Easily 60 to 70, y'all.
Oh, there went the cart. There went the cart.
Yeah, there goes the cart. It's rolling away.
Oh, snap. Look at that truck over there. He's got his thing up in the back.
Yeah. Whoa!
Woo!
We are getting absolutely hammered now.
Oh, my God.
Crap, wasn't recording. Is that the brick home that it just flattened?
Yeah, Mel, it looked like that was cinder blocks that were completely tossed from that house, or whatever that was.
But I was just thinking too, wow, that's so...
Make sure he checks my clips. Somebody said it's on ABC News now.
Can't believe what everybody says. We need.
Give me a second, John. Let me look at it.
Whoa! Snap! Is Dale Kaminsky streaming? Man, that's beautiful. After dark chat. She would go to bed. Oh my God! Oh, snap. That was. Whoa! Chased the storm in Chicago, yes. That was a nightmare. Huh. What? That's pretty cool.
Your focus is off, John.
I know, I just fixed it.
Southern Gibson County in western Tennessee. Southwestern Carroll County in western Tennessee.
Wow!
North central Madison County in western Tennessee.
Wow! Oh, well, that's the better viewing area. Holy moly! Daytime it's okay. Oh my gosh, that is freaking cool. Wow.
Once you get to Charleston, West Virginia, the stars just getting.
Can you see Yeah.